You acting like I got you on camera.
I mean, that's on a video show.
You gonna be my vlog? Yeah.
I don't know, I just feel like
As soon as I grabbed the camera, I was like, damn, this is like the perfect song for this. One of my homies hit me up. We was talking yesterday. He said he was trying to hit the gun range. So what we doing today? We hitting the gun range.
damn, son.
I don't promote violence, gun violence, anything like that. I do promote gun safety. I do promote protecting yourself. And as a matter of fact,
got juveniles on the block, stick hanging out the Glock. Let's fuck the game, many niggas on the block pushing their rock.
looking over my boy. It's lit. That boy said he was trying to
shoot some shit up.
I was like, let's go, let's go. Quick review. We got the mini Draco 7.62. We got our AR-15, 300 blackout. Sight mark on it, not an EOTech. 300 blackout, that's what we shooting out of that. M&P Smith & Wesson, 40 cal. We got that 9, my baby, my everyday. This is my first, 26. Got 9s in there, little 30 clip. I gotta leave this here. Yeah, that's what we shooting out of that. Yeah, we out here, sporting goods. We out here. That boy at the counter, making purchases, big purchases, all 2020. Blue to you, it was to me, it was blue to you. It ain't blue to me, honey. That boy lives, yeah. Yes, sir, we out. Oh, they want to get him a vlog? Excuse me. Get in the vlog, get in the vlog. Excuse me. Yeah, man. Ooh. RP Juice WRLD. We just got the news. Just got the news that boy passed away, had a seizure. Rest in peace for that boy. We don't get our shit checked, no. Little back trick is on me.
You saw them in $5?
Huh?
Little do they know.
Where you have parked at?
I'm over there.
Alright, where we going again? To the big house? Alright, bet. You got that?
Yeah.
I'll meet you there. It's hot as hell. Hey, this wasn't planned, but what? You should pull up to the crib. Ooh, now I'm out. I got game for a drink. Fuck you, stop. Yeah, we out here.
Hey, that's not bad though.
About 26. 30 clip. I told that boy, it's about to sound like a bomb in here. You kept. This how we come. We got a hostage. Oh shoot, what the fuck? We got a hostage situation. Is that a pistol?
Really, nigga?
Draco.
Hey.
Hey, this one didn't have as much kick.
That shit right there, bro. That's a kick, bro. You want to black out?
Video now?
Yeah, I got you. It's not a video shoot, it's called a vlog. You know what a vlog is? A vlog. Yeah, a vlog. You know you vlog your life. You wanna be my vlog? No.
He wasn't about it.
Nah. We at Wendy's right now. Yeah, what you about to get? That photo. Oh, man. Came in here with $5. Show you how to do it for real. Now you can make money off this. You know? Big vlog. Try to be in a vlog? Try to be in a vlog? Yo. Yeah. You know what time it is. Thank you.
show them your $5?
Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna show them $5. Why you don't want to be on my vlog? People gonna come in here like, yo, you was on Playboy. Nah, I'm Playboy D. Playboy D and the Diddy. You know, that shit was lit.
But it makes them fire edges.
Hell yeah. I dropped the fry. Can I get another one?
No, 5-second rule. They heard me say that?
Yeah, they heard you. What you got going on?
The nuggets, the fries, and the chicken sandwich. So tell me how one of my homegirls put me on her friend. The next day, I go on Twitter, she's like retweeting shit. I'm like, oh, nah.
These females, bro, they funny, bro. You'll text them, you don't want to chill with them, and then they be too busy, right? You go ghost. Hey, where you at? Where you been? Like, what you mean, bro? Longest, bro. They said this when they come see me, right? I'm like, all right, bet. I'm like, I put a sad face. Oh, you say you was gonna come see me in November, but I just left it alone like that.
Yeah.
Hey, I miss you. How you miss me? How you miss me? How you miss me? What? You like her? Or you just like her type shit?
I mean, I was with her if she was about like talking and shit. I would have been about.
Hey, I'm trying to slide with y'all, but had a whole party. Well, okay.
December 20th.
That's the same dude who was in that video?
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming from Tampa to a penthouse.
How was that?
I'm going to Tampa.
Really, nigga?
Like, now it's just like quiet. I don't want to have to play a game with you where if you don't hit me up, I don't hit you up, I don't hit you up. Like, be real, bro. If you trying to I just wish you must be like real, like tell me straight up like, shit, blessing, boy. I'm gonna have to try that bacon.
Next time, though.
I don't want to double text like.
But like, look, she's with the girls.
That's her?
Right, all the way to the left.
She cute as shit. She went to Everglades, isn't it?
Yeah.
She look familiar. But they just don't want to talk right then and there. That's what I learned, but like, you gotta learn how to accept it, you feel me?
Yeah.
You don't want to accept the kid while it's been a whole day she ain't text back, like, you feel me? You gonna feel some type of way about that shit. You gotta be like, and when it's something that you care about it, man, listen. Shit, you said she coming to the day?
Yeah, for sure.
It's 20th? I might have to catch an Uber or Lyft out there a bit.
I feel you.
That boy was in love with her type shit.
Yeah, I think business.
You too, man. With my boy Lewis, man. Y'all get at my dog.
I think she's in this one too.
That's her, right?
Yeah.
I ain't know. I want to. Ooh, hey, no, I want to.
For skinny.
That's what I'm saying. What's up? Eating right now. What's up? I can send you an address. I don't know. I can send you a number. Bro, this is the worst thing ever, bro. This female want me, right, bro? But I ain't show her no attention like that. So she went from nice to mean, bro. Called me. Where you at? Is it far?